Aselsan, a defense company, is showcasing its latest product, the SAR-P Next Gen remote-controlled weapon station. This is a type of weapon system that can be remotely controlled by a person from a safe distance. It is designed for use in military and defense applications. The SAR-P Next Gen is an upgraded version of the SAR-P Remote-Controlled Weapon Station, RCWS, from Aselsan, which was highly praised for its ability to hit targets accurately, track targets effectively, and shoot while on the move against stationary and moving targets. This system offers both advanced reconnaissance capabilities and powerful firepower to meet the tactical needs of the battlefield and protect critical infrastructure. Its compact design makes it ideal for integration onto tactical vehicles, fixed surveillance posts, and towers. Depending on the mission requirements, it can be equipped with a 12.7mm machine gun, 40mm automatic grenade launcher, or 7.62mm machine gun as its primary weapon, as well as a 7.62mm machine gun as its coaxial weapon. With its extensive surveillance and remote control capabilities, the SAR-P Next Gen enhances the situational awareness of the gunner and significantly improves survivability. The SAR-P Next Gen boasts innovative hardware and mechanical systems that allow for a low-profile and lightweight design. It also has a hybrid ammunition box with an advanced user interface and can integrate smoke grenades and a gunshot detection system for optimal use. One of its most significant improvements is the ability to reload under armor through the hybrid ammunition box, offering higher capacity than standard boxes and allowing for more than 1,250 additional 7.62mm rounds to be carried in the vehicle. The SAR-P Next Gen is specifically designed for land platforms, featuring a flexible and upgradable architecture that is highly effective against asymmetric threats.